Hey lovely subscribers and viewers of Bee's Kitchen, I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to show you how I made these delicious sweet chili chicken wings. I won't lie to you, sweet chili sauce is not my favorite sauce. However, after making these wings, my mind has definitely changed. Stay with me and let's get started. For the sweet chili wings recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In my bowl, I have my wings. These have been cleaned with lemon and water. I have cut the wings into two, so I have the flat and the drum. I also have smoked paprika, chicken seasoning, onion granules, white pepper, garlic granules, black pepper. I have my sweet chili sauce, Badia complete seasoning, adobo seasoning, and olive oil. I will list all the ingredients in the description box. Before I proceed to add my seasonings, I am just dabbing the wings using kitchen towel to remove any excess water from cleaning the wings. I usually do this because I want my seasonings to coat well in the chicken wings so you can taste the flavor. I am now going to proceed to season my wings. Next, I'm going to mix everything together. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just going to mix everything together well to ensure that the chicken wings is well coated in the seasonings. Guys, please don't forget you can also season the chicken wings using your preferred seasonings of choice. I am now going to cover the wings using my cling film. Next, I'm going to place the wings in the refrigerator and allow it to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. Or you could marinate the wings overnight. One to 2 hours later, before I place the chicken wings in the oven, I'm just going to spray my baking rack using my cooking spray. This will ensure the chicken doesn't stick to it whilst it's being cooked. If you don't have cooking spray, feel free to glaze your baking tray using any cooking oil of your choice. As you can see, I have been adding the wings to my baking rack, and whilst I was doing this step, my oven was preheating at 150 degrees. Guys, please don't forget to preheat your oven before you bake your wings. I am now going to bake the wings at 200 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. And 30 to 40 minutes later, the wings are ready. I'm just going to remove the wings from my rack, place it in a bowl, and next I will be adding the sweet chili sauce. I am now going to add the sweet chili sauce to the wings, and guys, add as much sweet chili sauce as you want. Next, mix everything together to ensure that the chicken is well coated in the sweet chili sauce. And as you can see, we have ourselves one bowl of delicious sweet chili chicken wings, and these wings will be great for a starter or even a side dish. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.